Alrighty, hopefully we can help some people out. So what we had was 2017 Dodge Durango. It stopped starting, just wouldn't give me anything. So I started looking into it and yeah, not even any of these lights would come up. So I said, oh, okay, let me check these batteries that are under the seat, by the way. You gotta pop the seat out just to replace those. So we replaced them batteries, nothing. Then we went into the alternator, swapped that, nothing. And I was just lost, had no idea what was going on. My dad was helping me out, and I just wanted to make a quick video on that problem. Hopefully I can save you guys close to $1,000. So you're gonna pop your hood, and right here you have your negative post to like jump your car, and then you have your positive. Under this little cap, you have this little fella. And it's a little box. There's a little box back there. It's like a fuse. Well, that was burnt out. So between that was $100. The alternator down there, that was $400. And then the batteries were $300-400. So before you do that, you should probably check, make sure you have current going through all that stuff over there, and hopefully that'll save you some money.